Hello, how are you doing today? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Affiliate Ogodo Friday Morrison, and today I'm going to be walking you through the simple step it will take you to simply install this great software called tubebuddy. In my other video, I showed you how tubebuddy is one of the best software that any new buyer in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, any new buyer that doesn't even know how this marketing thing work or doesn't have a large followers can grow his audience using YouTube channel by using tubebuddy as a software to grow his YouTube channel to get more subscriber, more watch time, and then eventually get monetized by YouTube, and then YouTube will start paying them monthly. Okay, so today I'm going to be walking you through the step of how you can install this great software on your mobile phone or on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to be heading to my dashboard. First, I'm going to walk you through the great product, how it works. So this is my affiliate channel as an affiliate marketer with TubeBuddy. So I want to just show you the great feature of the product. So when I click on my link as well, it's going to load into the page that will be telling us more about this great software that I'm about showing to you that will help you. Even though you don't have any idea or you don't have a YouTube channel, you've not had one before and you want to grow, you can as well register just with your email address. Go to YouTube, register, we create an email address, register on it, and then when you finish doing the registration, you can now contact me, and then you can even learn how you can install this on your Chrome. If you're having issue with it, then you can contact me. I'll be able to show you what to do next. So now you notice that I click on my link and then it took me to this page. This is tubebuddy, talking about the pricing, the enterprise, the features of tubebuddy, the community people that are using it, and then the company itself, about the company, the support, and all of that. The blog, okay, I'm talking about monetization, YouTube strategy, YouTube news, and tubebuddy tools that we affiliate marketer can get access to promote this great software to you people. So right here, I'm going to be walking you through this product. They say your best friend on the road to YouTube success. You see, so it's going to help. Say tubebuddy is a free browser extension and a mobile app that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease. It helps you grow your channel with ease. So if you scroll down, it say you have successfully installed tubebuddy extension. Why? Because I've installed it on my computer, and I've also installed it on my PC because it's what gives more view for to my videos each time I make a great video, training educative video like this for my audience. So right now I've already installed it, so I'm just showing you that it is a great app. Okay, and let's scroll down. I want to show you what tubebuddy does as well. Say tubebuddy search has been my ash one. I'm so glad these are testimony of people. tubebuddy is a super helpful. Love you guys. tubebuddy has completely transformed the way I manage my personal YouTube channel. tubebuddy makes getting results on YouTube so much easier. If you are a YouTuber, tubebuddy has been my, look at what I'm showing you, look at the screen. These are testing. tubebuddy is bulk processing tools that have saved hundreds of hours managing the family. You can see the various testimony. So I just want to walk you through it. You can see the various testimonies. Line says the greatest investment I've made toward the growth of my channel, which increased. So YouTube search has given my so much testimony from people all over the world. So one thing that tubebuddy search, it helps you research, it helps you publish, it helps you optimize your YouTube channel. Okay, research, it means that it research people that will be needing the product offer that you are promoting on YouTube for them to be able to get it. It publish it for you, publish your video for you, and then optimize it for you as well. So one thing, advanced keyword search. What is advanced keyword search? tubebuddy help you to what? to to write the right keyword that will make people to see your video that you are posting on YouTube. Probably maybe you want to post the video how to grow on YouTube 2023. So when you type it there, tubebuddy will explore it, it will check it. If it is good for you to use such keyword, then it will show you it is excellent. So if the topic you are giving to your video tutorial correspond to what you are talking about, they will tell you it's excellent, and then they will allow you public, they will tell you to use such keyword. And that is that. It say let tubebuddy help you to find a high performing searchable video topic and then craft the perfect titles and tags. So that is what I'm trying to explain to you. It cut publishing time in half. It cut publishing time what into half. It doesn't enable you waste time. It publish it directly. Look at it, hit the ground, running with tubebuddy. A suite of time saving template tools for drastically speed up publish time, so it doesn't delay. So once you just key the right word in, they will put it together and then they will publish your video for you. Rank higher in search result, and it enable people when they are searching for video to watch on how they can get to do something, how they can grow your YouTube channel, your video will automatically what pop up. So that is one thing that another the second thing that it does. So get more view and subscriber. This is what everyone is looking for in YouTube. The reason why you came to YouTube is for you to get more view and what subscriber. Say click any suitable icon to kick off sharing of videos on that site. So YouTube enable people on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and all of this to see what your videos. So tubebuddy is a great tool. Say test, tweak, win, they click. So a whole lot of things. Tubebuddy is the best software that you need to use to grow your YouTube channel. So if you are still wondering if your thumbnail could be improved, let tubebuddy give you the answer with what simplify A/B testing. So they test the various thumbnail that you need to use that will be best for you. He say, and this great software is loved by more than 3 million YouTuber, creator, and brand ambassador all over the world, influencers. So I already told you, show you the features of this product. It help you research, it help you publish, it help you optimize, it help you what to promote. So tubebuddy is what you need now. An affiliate marketer and it help you text if what you are publishing will be best for you, if it will have more audience. So that is that. So I'm going to be taking you to another of my browser where I'll be showing you how to install it. So after this video, what I just want you to do for me is simply click on the link and then install it on your browser. After installation, you can engage in the paid. We have three we have the paid, you can pay. We have the pro version and the VIP version. So if you want to just do the paid version, probably it's up to like $19 or $20, and it's for a lifetime. Anytime you make any even simple video, you laugh, you smile, and for a long time playing with your family, you post it on YouTube. As long as you are subscribed to tubebuddy, they will help you promote it to millions of followers. And the purpose of it is for you to get more subscriber, people commenting, and then YouTube will see that you are making meaningful content and then they will send you the monetization email, thereby monetizing your YouTube channel. You already had a job for yourself. Every time you have to just be putting educative content on YouTube. If you are a nurse, you want to be talking about medical, have how people can take care of their health. You are a woman, you want to teach people how to take care of their private part and not the rest. You are a pastor, you want to pass out this your message to a large audience. You want more people to subscribe to your channel and you want to use it as a means of livelihood. Why not? You can as well click on the link as well and have it installed and then ask me how, if you're having difficulty, how you can pay for it and then integrate it to your YouTube channel. So let's jump right away to the other browser. So right here now I'm going to, you need to have a link. So I'm going to put my link here. I'm going to post it, and once I post it, I'm going to click on the enter button. We are going, I just pray it load faster because this Firefox is a kind of low, it's kind of low, but thank God it has loaded already. So what you do, I'm teaching you how you can simply install it from this my video training. So what you do right now, this is a new browser. I have to test run it in my Google Chrome. I already installed it on Google Chrome. So you can install it as much as many browser that you have on your PC. So right now, I'm showing you here how you can install it on your browser. So right now, You are going to click on it. When you click on it, when you click on it, you are going to click on it, and then after you click on it, it will load. Once it had load, it will take you directly to where you will install it on your browser. So I already click it right now, so you have to wait a bit. TubeBuddy is a great software. It's going to help you grow your business. It's going to help you grow, have a more larger follower, subscriber, and then you'll be able to have more sales on YouTube. So right now, this is what it's saying. It's TubeBuddy by TubeBuddy. Right now, so you can click on add. You click on add to Firefox. Remember, we have to come to Firefox so that you can be able to use it, so that you can be able to add it as an extension to the browser. So right now we are here, you just click on it, it will load and it will ask you to add it. You can see it here, Firefox browser add-on extension. So it will load, and then you'll be able to add it as an extension to your browser. After adding it, you integrate it with your YouTube channel. So let's just wait a bit, it's loading. It's going to load, and then, like, while we are waiting for it to load, let's just be scroll so that you can be able to see all other things. You will be your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Find high performing video topic, craft. All these I've shown you in my other video. It's taking a lot of time, but we have to wait. Once it finished loading, it will take you to where you will install it. And let me keep educating you about it, because it's taking more time. So after it load, you will click, it will be added, it's already been added to the extension. Then it will ask you to choose an email. Probably the email you use in creating your YouTube channel, that is what you will choose, because it's an email we use in creating YouTube channel. When you put the email, it will automatically install it, and anytime you enter your YouTube channel, it will show there that it will show tubebuddy. Then what you just need to do is activate it. Once you activate it on your YouTube channel, automatically, once you activate the free version, anytime you want to post a video, TubeBuddy will pop up and it will tell you what to do, the right word to put, the right keyword, and all of that, the right tags, everything. It will show it to you, and then it will help you publish your video and get the right audience. But for it to work faster for you, after installation, you have to pick up a plan. We have the VIP, we have the Pro, and we have the paid version. So you can pick up the paid version, and it will help you to be able to do everything. Within a week, you're already having large subscriber, people commenting on your video, people clicking on your link, and then buying your product offer. So at the end of the video, it's unfortunate that it's not showing, but I just brief it to you. At the end of this video, kindly click the link below the video and start installing it for your own use today. When you have any difficulty, you can drop your comment below, and I will help you to do everything. That is why I am here for you. I will help you to set it up. I will help you to make the payment if that is still an issue, and then you start having more sales, more follower, and more subscriber. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of educative videos like this. Thank you, and God bless you.